Okay, listen. So next topic is the training process. Okay. So you are having some steps in this training process. Okay. That is what purpose you are conducting the training. That is to improve the employee knowledge skills. Okay. That is you have to follow the steps simultaneously. Okay. So then only you have to give the efficient training program. Okay. So note down the steps. So these are the steps in the training process. Note down the steps. So listen. The first one is the access training needs. Next you set the training objectives. Next select appropriate method training. So next you implement the training program. Next you have to evaluate. Finally it is giving the feedback. So these are the steps in the training process. Okay. So first we see the access training needs. Okay. That is for what purpose you are conducting the training. This is all for one needs only. Okay. So that is this is the starting point for all the training. Okay. So next also that is what is the main purpose means that is you have to find the difference between the standard and the actual performance. Okay, so that is why you are conducting this training program. So for what purpose you are conducting, so where you are conducting, when you are conducting, for who you are conducting. Okay, so everything you have to reflect. Okay, so this is the set training needs. Okay, first one you have to access the training needs. Okay, so next one you are conducting the training program means that is you have to allocate some investment for this training program. Is it? For example, in this March end, you have to conduct this training program. Okay, so that is you have to allocate some fund investment for this training program also. Okay, so then that one also your access. Okay, that is the access training needs. Okay, that is based on the actual and the standard performance. Next you have to reply for what purpose you are conducting this training program. So next one that is you have to investment some amount for this training program. Okay, so that is the access training needs. So after accessing this training needs, next you have to set the training objectives. Okay, so you all know objectives. Okay, so for example, you are doing a research that is employee performance means that is you are setting the objectives that is related to the employee performance topic only. So that is next you are setting the training objectives. This training objectives this must match that is between the man and the job. Okay, so that is employee and the job. Okay, so this objectives must related to the organization. Okay, so that is also before setting the objectives you must check. Okay, that is you must match that is the relationship between the man and the job. That is the employee and the job. Okay. So next, yeah, that is also you have to mention that is based on the actual current performance and the desired performance. That is the objectives must relate between the current performance and the desired performance also. Okay. So now you are set the objectives. So after access the training programs and selecting the objectives. So next you are selecting the training method. Okay. So already we saw some different methods of training. That is training methods that is based on off the job and on the job. So on the job you have some more types and off the job you have some more types. So next only you are selecting based on the objectives and needs. You are selecting the training methods. Okay. So that is you are selecting the training methods. After the selection of the training methods, so next you are implementing the training program. Okay. So that is you are implementing the training program means that is this is also for what purpose you are implementing this training program. Okay. So this is for freshers or existing employees. Okay. So everything you have to analyze. Okay. So next now you implemented the training program. So next you have to evaluate the training program. Okay. So for what purpose you are evaluating means that is this training program is useful or not. Okay. So that is this evaluation. After the evaluation, so that is you are analyzing this, the value and the worth of the training program. Okay. So that is for your evaluate the exam paper. So that is for what purpose you are evaluating means that is you have to analyze that. Okay. That is the worth and value of the test. So that is for what purpose they are evaluating the training program, and this training program is useful or not. Okay. So if, based on this value and worth, next one you make some correction for this also. So after the evaluation process completed, so next one is the feedback of the client. Okay. So next one that is giving the feedback. Okay. So for what purpose you are collecting the feedback from the employees means that is you have to find the corrections. Okay. That is negative areas in the feedback. Okay. So for next one you have to improve the areas in the future. Okay. So in which areas they are giving low feedback, less feedback. Okay. So for that particular areas you have to improve that in future. Okay. So this feedback is related to your program only. Okay. So that is what are the questions you may ask means that is this training program is useful or not. Okay. So that is most of them that is in the new excellent artwork very bad like that. Okay. So next you may ask that is this training program will conduct on future or not. Okay. So that like you have to ask the questions that is related to the training program. Okay. So then only the employees that is give the feedback for this. Okay. So based on the feedback only you are improving. Okay. That is in the future you have to do the training program in the next level. Okay. So these are the process of the training program. Finished up. The next one. Types of training program. Same condition subheading. Types of training. So types of training you have 7 types. Okay. So already we studied methods of training. This types that is similar to the methods of training only. Okay. So write first one. Induction or orientation training. So this is the first type. This one also already studied in second unit. Types. The first one induction or orientation training. Okay. That is what is meant by orientation training? employees. That is after the selection process only, this induction program is providing for the particular employees. So there is the induction or orientation training. Okay, this is the first. Okay, so there is the first. You are having many types of training. So the first you give the induction training to the newcomers. Okay, next the second one, job training. Job training. So job training. Okay, so induction orientation training means that is for the new employees you are giving the information about the organization. Okay, so job training means that is related to your job. Okay, that is your give some information that is related to the particular specific job. So for what purpose you are giving job training to the employees means that is to improve the skills and knowledge. Okay, so orientation training for what purpose you are giving orientation training means that is in the so if new employees when they don't know about the company, so for that purpose you are explaining. Okay, so job training means that is you have to explain about the particular field and the job. So that is to improve the knowledge and skills and performance level of the employees. Okay, so next third one, safety training. Safety training. So safety training. Okay, so this is not mandatory. Okay, but it is based on your job and based on the company. That is, they are giving this type of training. Okay, this safety training means that is what is safety training? Employees. For the employees or the benefits and safety. Okay, so that is this training also reduce the accidents. Okay, and damage to the machinery. Okay, that is you are handling some machine. For example, in the butterfly company, so you went to IT system. So butterfly company, that is you are having many machines. The paper plate machines, glass, etc. So first one day you are giving training for the particular employees. Okay, that is how to handle this machine. Okay, so everything you are giving the training for the employees. Okay, so this is the safety training. Okay, that is to decrease the accidents and decrease the damage to the machinery. Okay, so for that purpose they are giving the safety training, but this is not mandatory for all the companies. Okay, that is for the specific company only. Okay, next fourth one is the promotional training. Promotional training. So promotional training, this promotional training means that this training is giving to the existing employees. Okay, so that is this employees that is goes to the next higher level positions. Okay, so for that purpose you are giving the promotional training for the existing employees. Okay, that is that particular person that is moves to the higher level positions. Okay, and this promotional training is that is you are giving that is before the promotional level. Okay, it's not for the after. Okay, so before the employee going to the promotion means in the before that only you are giving this training to the employees. Okay, that is for the higher level positions. Next, fifth one, refresher training. Refresher training. So this refresher training is also called as the retraining. So what is the main purpose for this refresher training? That is to improve the knowledge, skills and performance levels of the employees. Next, sixth one, remedial training. employees. Okay, so this is for the, that is remedial class. Okay, so that is you are attending the remedial class, remedial training program. Okay, that is also to improve the performance and knowledge of the employee. That is you have to overcome from that. Okay, that is the remedial training. Okay, so next internship training, 7th one. Internship training. So yesterday only I told is that what is meant by internship training?
Training about the particular destination.
Yeah, okay, that is another giving for this internship training is providing for the students only. That is students from the arts college, that is the engineering students, so they are providing the internship training. Okay, so that is during the under this educational or the vocational time. Okay, so that is in third semester in this semester holidays. So the most of the students they are going to the internship. Okay, that is a minimum internship period is the 1 month. Okay, that is maximum 6 months. But most of the companies they are not given 1 month internship training period. Okay, so that is at least 3 months to 6 months only. Okay, so that is the internship training. Okay, so that is under this period that is the students are going to internship training, and this internship training that is through the theoretical and the practical way. Okay, that is this internship training also used to improve this knowledge and skills and you are learning something also. Okay, so that is also improve the students level. Okay, so these are the types of the training. So these are the 7 types of training. Okay, so training topic over. Okay, so that is these are the methods of training, process and the types. Okay, so next topic is the training needs analysis. Okay, listen. So next topic is the training needs analysis. Okay, so already we saw some needs of training, is it? So what are the main purpose? For what purpose you are conducting this training? Means that is there to improve the knowledge and skills, and you have to identify the employee performance level. Okay, so here you are having some levels of the training. Okay, it is first is the poor performance. Poor business performance gap. Next issues and the training needs. Okay, so first write the meaning. Training needs analysis meaning. It is the process of identifying. It is the process of identifying training needs. It is the process of identifying training needs. Next, second point. It aims to improve employee performance. It aims to improve employee performance. So this is the flow of training needs analysis diagram. Okay. So subtitle right, flow of training needs analysis. Draw this diagram. Finished up. So result, this is the flow of training needs analysis. Okay. Okay, so that is first poor business. Okay, that is for again told this what purpose you are giving training means that is to improve the performance, knowledge and skills system. So see, so first you are under the poor business. Okay, that is poor business. Like you are giving training means that is another. Now to bridge the gap, that is you have to improve the performance level. That is the performance gap. Next you find the issues and solve that. Next one is the training needs. Okay, so this is the flow of the training needs analysis. Finished up. Okay, listen. So you are having some benefits of the training needs analysis. Okay, so for that is you are giving the training means you have some benefits. So say you are having 6 benefits in this training needs analysis. So first one that is you to improve and increase the knowledge, performance and the skills of the person. Okay. So next one you design the training and align the training with the organizational objectives. Okay. So this training is providing that is related to the organizational objectives only. So that is the main purpose is to achieve the goal. Okay, so that organization goal that is related to your organizational objectives. But next is second point is the align the objective, organizational objectives. Okay, so next one is the where. That is already we saw in this access of training needs. That is for what purpose you are conducting, when you are conducting, for where you are conducting. That is why you are conducting, for you are conducting. Okay, so that will also give the benefits for this training. Okay, so next you provide the benchmark for the training needs. Okay, that is specifically you mention. Okay, so that is for example, for safety training means that is in this manufacturing company, you must give this training to the employees. Okay, that is how to handle the machine. Okay, that is you must wear the gloves, something mask. That is also already mentioned in this handbook policy book. So that is also you have to explain in this safety training. Okay, that is you wear the shoes, slipper. In some companies, in some department, you don't wear shoes like that. Okay, so then everything you have to explain to the employees. Okay, so that is the safety training. So that is also one of the needs for the training. Okay, so that is specific, measurable, attainable, reasonable, achievable and timely. Okay, so specific we have to mention about the training. Okay, so next you have to measure that. Okay, next attainable for what purpose, that is you have to mention the reason also. That is the employee in a very poor condition or the employee have no previous experience, knowledge. That is the fresher means that is another. You must give the training for the particular person. That is the reasonable and achievable and timely. Okay, that is a full day you are not giving the training. That is you have to mention some particular timing also. Okay, so next you are reducing the risk and failure. Okay, so you are giving the safety training means that is based on the safety training. You are decrease the accidents and damage, etc. So you have some benefits, etc. So that is the reducing the risk and the failure. Okay, so next it helps to manage the training benefits. Okay, but it is how do you handle. Okay, so how do you work. So everything, how do you conduct this activity. So everything you have to know. Okay, so these are the 6 benefits in the training needs analysis. Okay, so this one finished now. Next put the heading 6 benefits of TNA. So TNA means that is the training needs analysis. TNA means training needs analysis. Sometimes they may ask in 2 mark, what is TNA? Define TNA. Okay, 6 benefits of TNA. up. It is an tiny. Tiny is one. Tiny. T-I-M-E-L, tiny. So these are the 6 benefits of the TLE. Okay. So next you have 3 levels of training needs analysis. Finished this one. So see. So what are the 3 levels? Means this first one is the organizational analysis. Okay. Organizational level. That is the I have to analyze the SWOT analysis. Okay. That is the first organizational analysis. That is based on the SWOT analysis. Okay, that is you have to analyze the strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. Okay. So next second one is the task analysis. Okay. So task analysis means that is you are giving one task, that is within this particular period you have to complete that task. Okay. That is also in IT companies they are giving this project work. So that is the mini project means that is based on the project they are fixing the time period. Okay. That is the 1 year project, 6 month project, 1 month, 2 month project. Okay, that is the task analysis. Okay, so that is based on the task analysis. That is you are analyzing the employees' knowledge, skills, and the performance level also. Okay, and you have some activities also needed for this task. Okay, next third one is the individual analysis. So individual analysis for that only that is they are giving the training for the employees. Okay, so see, so every organization they must give the training for the freshers and the new employees. So that is individual analysis means individually. So based on this training individually you are analyzing the employees performance level. Okay, so for example that is Nivedita means I am analyzing the performance level for the particular students. Okay, so based on the training level. Okay, that is how that particular students perform in the training. Okay, so that one also you are analyzing. Okay, so these are the 3 levels of training in the TLE. So right now, training needs analysis. At 3 levels. Draw this diagram. So this is the 3 levels of the TLE. So first level is the first organization, task and the individual. Write in the same order only. Finished up. So first level organization. Yeah. So organization level means what? SWOT analysis. That is you are analyzing that is related to the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Okay. That is first you analyze the organizational level. So next you analyze the task. Based on this only you are analyzing the individual performance of the employees. Okay. Finished up. organizational analysis. Example SWOT analysis. Organizational analysis. Example SWOT analysis. Next, task analysis. Knowledge, skills. Knowledge, skills. Next, individual analysis. So listen, based on the organization and the task analysis, you only decide. Okay, so that is what type of training is given to the particular employee. Okay, that is what are the needs for the training and why you conduct this training for the particular employees. Okay, that is also you are analyzing. So write individual levels. Who needs to be trained? Who needs to be trained? And what training is needed? And what training is needed? Okay, that's all now.